Hey guys, Danny here. I've got another pair of wireless earbuds for you today. These are using Bluetooth 5. I was sent these for review. I will put a link down in the description if you'd like to pick these up. I've also been given a coupon code by the supplier of these, so be sure to check that out. Now we're going to unbox these and see what is included. Of course, we get the headphones themselves in a nice little charging case here. I do quite like the design of the case and also the color. As you'll probably know if you've seen some of my other reviews, when it comes to tech I often prefer stuff to be more of a stealthy, darker look so it doesn't stand out too much. That's just my preference. You can see there's also a latch on the front. If you hit the little button, the top will flip open. This is a nice little touch that you don't really see on a lot of cases. Normally you just pry them open yourself. There's also a little button on the front here that you can touch to power it on manually, and you'll also get a charge status indicator of the case, and when the earbuds are charging they will light up red. The manufacturer states with this charging case we will get 15 hours of total playtime. Now a good rule of thumb I often find works out well is to take off 10% of what they state, because often it's in the absolute best case scenario and you won't normally get this. Now one thing I wasn't too fond of with these earbuds is when you take them out of the case they don't actually power on themselves. You have to manually hold the buttons to power them on, which just seems like an extra step that's unnecessary. I'm not sure why you have to do this. In most other earbuds of this type you take them out of the case and they will power on by themselves. They do have quite a nice design however, and because of their little latch on the side they do fit quite nice and snugly in the ear. They're quite comfortable and they don't move around too much. Because of their small profile I think they don't stick out your ear too much, so they do look pretty cool. We also get a standard USB to micro USB charging cable, as well as some extra earbuds with various sizes. We do also get a user manual as well, of course. These earbuds are very similar to a lot of other earbuds that I've tested. They're going to give you average audio quality, decent voice calls if you want to use these with your smartphone, and also you'll get a decent Bluetooth connectivity. I did experience the odd drop in connection between the earbuds, but it didn't seem to happen very often, but more often than I've had with others, so that is a little bit worrying. And I would have to say they are a bit more expensive compared to a lot of the others that I've used, so they aren't the greatest value for money, so I would bear that in mind. There are physical buttons on the side of the earbuds, and you can use this for most of the standard features like pausing and playing tracks or skipping to the next one. Now often when you have physical buttons it can make them slightly uncomfortable, because when you press the button it pushes the earbud into your ears, but for some reason I think it may be due to their compact size. These ones didn't feel too bad having to use the physical buttons on the side, so they actually worked pretty well. Overall I don't think these earbuds are too bad, but there definitely are some better options out there at a lower price. So if you are thinking of picking these up, there aren't any major issues with them, but I just don't think they are the best option out there. The fact that you have to manually power them on when you take them out of the case like I show you here is a bit annoying. When you put them back in they do start charging automatically and disconnect from your smartphone, but I just think these are average at best. So as always I'll put a link down in the description if you do want to still pick these up. I really hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.